Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how to make salted caramel. For this, we will need sugar, cream, butter, a pinch of salt, an immersion blender, and a saucepan. So, shall we get started? Place the sugar in a saucepan with a thick bottom and put it on medium heat. Wait for the sugar to start melting. Once you see the sugar begin to melt, start stirring with a silicone spatula. It may seem like the sugar has crystallized. Don't worry. Keep stirring. The sugar should completely dissolve. Cook until you achieve a pleasant caramel color. If you see the sugar starting to darken quickly, reduce the heat to the minimum. At this stage, the key is not to overcook the sugar. You don't want it to become too dark and bitter. So, as soon as you see that all the sugar lumps have melted and it has reached the desired caramel color, turn off the heat. Simultaneously, heat the cream, but don't bring it to a boil. Pour the hot cream into the melted sugar and stir vigorously with a whisk. At this point, the sugar will start to bubble intensely. Be careful not to burn yourself with the hot steam. If you want a thicker caramel, cook it a little longer at this stage. After about a minute, add room temperature butter and mix it in. Blend the mixture with an immersion blender and add a pinch of salt. Our salted caramel is now ready. After it cools down, put it in the refrigerator to stabilize. It will thicken a bit and then it can be used. Well, our salted caramel has been in the refrigerator for an hour. Look how thick it has become. It has a beautiful caramel color. Now you can pour it into a jar or a piping bag and store it in the refrigerator. Subscribe to my channel, and I wish you success in your cooking. Let's give it a taste. It's very delicious, perfect with tea.